Hey guys, what's up? This is Tech Rebel, and today we're going to show you a video for how to download FIFA 14 full version on your Android device without use of PCs, and there's no surveys and all. So yeah, here we go. I'm using the Google Nexus 4, but this can be done on any dual core and quad core device. So we first open the Play Store and search for an app called ES File Explorer. Or you can even download Astro File Manager, anyone. Ignore the step if you already got one with File Manager. So yeah, we've already downloaded it. Now we go to Chrome browser and search for FIFA 14 APK Mania. So yeah, we scroll down a bit and we see this link zippyshare.com FIFA 1.2.8 full, and press on it, APK Mania 2. So here's the ZippyShare download. It's about 15 megabytes. So yeah, just press download. The link will be in the description too, so you don't need to do this step. So we have the download started, and I've already downloaded this, so go back to your home screen and to the ES File Explorer now. In the File Explorer we go to download and open the FIFA file which you've just downloaded. There's mine. So here we open the file, and yeah, the permission dialog has come. Now we can just let's install it now. So it's installing, as you can see, and there's some Google may regularly check for harmful apps. Just decline that, as it is a cracked app. So it'll take a wee bit to install. Yeah, it's installed. Open the app now and you'll see a download box. So yeah, I've already downloaded it, so but it's a 1.2 GB file, so it may take a while to download, depending on your connection obviously. So now we've downloaded the file, we're ready to go. Press FIFA 14 and here's the startup screen. Looks pretty sharp, and here's the FIFA license thing, and yeah, tap to continue. So here's the home screen. Right now it may look like the free version, but we'll show you how to make it paid. So you press on kickoff, which has a lock there, and unlock all, which is about $6-7, but we just have to press on check for existing purchase, and yes, the purchase has been successful. So now we've got all the modes, all for free. So I'll just show you the tournament mode. So yeah, here's the tournament mode. Let's just pick any team. Yeah, French. Let's just take any team. So yeah, I've taken a French team, and I'll just show you the match. So here we go, loading screen for the match. Now the games come up and all the controls are there. So this is how to download FIFA 14 for your Android devices for free, the full version. So thank you, this was Tech Rebel. Please like, rate, subscribe down below. Thank you again, bye bye guys.